Have you ever woken up feeling tired even after a full night's sleep? Have you ever struggled with low energy in the middle of a workout? Have you ever found yourself dozing off in the middle of an important meeting? Your energy levels and attention directly correlate to your productivity. Introducing a fresh energy drink mix, Tulsi Flavour by Herbalife Nutrition. With less than 4 kcal per serving, a fresh energy drink mix Tulsi is a convenient, on-the-go energy drink mix that helps in uplifting your attention and alertness. The natural flavor of Tulsi, extracted from fresh Krishna Tulsi leaves, imparts a feeling of freshness. A fresh energy drink mix, Tulsi, makes for a refreshing drink. It contains caffeine that provides a gentle boost, helps you feel energized, and supports mental alertness and concentration, reaction time, and aids to rejuvenate your mind and body. Start your day afresh with a fresh energy drink mix.